Welcome you all for the next session on Module 1 of your 4th semester, that is Calculus of Complex Function. So here in this session, we will be discussing about finding the conjugate harmonic function and how to find the analytic function. So in the previous session, we have learned about construction of analytic function, and in this session, we are going to find the harmonic conjugates. So u and v are harmonic function. U is called as a harmonic conjugate of v and v is called as the harmonic conjugate of u. So let us see how exactly we can find that. So these are called as the type 3 problems. Problems on finding the conjugate harmonic function, and hence we are going to find the analytic function. So here we had proved that the real and imaginary part of the analytic function f of z is equal to u plus v are harmonic. We have already proved the result which both in Cartesian as well as in polar form. There we also called u and v are harmonic conjugates to each other. U is a conjugate for v and v is a conjugate for u. So if u has been given, it is possible to find v, and if v has been given, it is possible for us to find the u. That is what is called as finding the harmonic conjugates. So how do we do that? Let us look at the working rule. So given u, imagine that u has been given for us, and if u has been given, the first step is find the derivatives ux and uy. Step 2 is consider the CR equation. Ux u, that is dou u by dou x, can be replaced as dou v by dou y, and dou v by dou x can be replaced as minus dou u by dou y. Now substitute for dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. We get two non-homogeneous PDE like dou v by dou x is equal to f of x comma y and dou v by dou x is equal to g of x comma y. And these need to be solved by direct integration method, and once you do that, you will be getting your v. The same procedure can be applied if v is been given, like find vx, vy, then replace vx, vy in terms of ux, uy by using CR equations. Then go for integration and you get the result. Further, u plus iv, where v is given, f of z as a function of x and y can be found. Once after doing that, put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0 so that you can get your f of z. This is the working rule that we have to follow to find the harmonic conjugate. Let us see the example. So show that the first problem, show that u, the given function which is x cube minus 3xy square plus 3x square minus 3y square plus 1 is harmonic, and find its harmonic conjugate. This is the problem given. So let us go according to the working rule. So u has been given, find ux and uy first. So the question continues here, and also find the corresponding analytic function. So u has been given for us. Find ux. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square, and differentiation of this is 3y square, and differentiation of 3x square is 6x, and differentiation of 3y square is 0, and differentiation of 1 is 0. So that is our ux. Then uxx, double differentiation of u is 6x plus 6. Why are we doing this double differentiation? We are telling the function is harmonic. It means that it must satisfy del square phi is equal to 0. That is two-dimensional harmonic equation. So we have two-dimensional derivatives uxx. Differentiating this again, we get 6x plus 6. Now differentiate u with respect to y partially. Differentiation of x cube is 0. Differentiation of 3xy square becomes minus 6xy. Differentiation of 3x square is 0, and differentiation of this is minus 6y. So differentiating this again with respect to y gets us uyy, which is minus 6x minus 6. So uxx plus uyy. Consider uxx plus uyy, 6x plus 6 minus 6x minus 6, which is equal to 0. So del square phi, that's a dou square u by dou x square dou y. Sorry, dou square u by dou x dou y dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is 0. It means that u is harmonic. So it was asked us to show that the function is harmonic first. So we have proved u is harmonic now. And now we have to find the harmonic conjugate and also find the analytic function. There are two more parts in the problem to do it now. Actually, the problem is having three parts. One is showing the function is harmonic, second is finding the harmonic conjugate, and the third part is analytic function. So we have completed one part. Now we have to find the harmonic conjugate. It means that we have to find v. U has been given, we have to find v. Consider the CR equation. Dou u by dou x is dou v by dou y, and dou v by dou x is minus dou u by dou y. Now substitute dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. because our derivatives, whatever we have already found, ux and uy, there we are going to replace ux by this and vx, uy by this expansion. So we get dou v by dou y is 3x square minus 3y square is equal to 6x, and dou u by dou y is going to be replaced by minus dou v by dou x. Minus can be transferred towards the other side, so it is minus of minus 6xy minus 6y. In other words, we get it as 6x plus 6y. Now we have the derivative dou v by dou y, but we want only v. So we need to eliminate this dou by dou y. So that is possible by doing the integration with respect to y. So whatever the variable you have in the denominator, with respect to that you need to integrate. So now let us integrate with respect to y. So integration of this gets us v, and integration of this entire term, we have written it as it is, plus f of x. So, and since we are doing integration with respect to y, f of x acts as a constant of integration here. And therefore, on integration, 3x square, and integration is with respect to y. So, you get this minus 3. Integral of y square is y cube by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. And integration of 6x is 6xy plus f of x. Similarly, do it here. Integration, you will get this 3x square y plus 6xy plus g of y. Now, we have the property, choose f of y and g of y to obtain. So, what this constant of integration we need to found. In order to do that, compare your v expansion, both the expansion and the terms which has only x and terms which has only y will be taken as g of y and f of x. The term which has only x, here there is no term which has only x, so f of x is 0. And the term g of y which has only the y term is minus y cube, so g of y is minus y cube. Now, so therefore we are going to combine both the v's and make it as one function. So write down the common terms, and remaining terms must be compared and written for f of x and g of y. So 3x square y exists in both, so write it. And this g of y, the term which has only y, that is y cube, write it. And then 6xy which is existing in common. And f of x, we doesn't have any term because f of x is 0. There are no terms which has only x. So this is our harmonic conjugate v. U was given and we have found v now. Now combine u and v. So substitute, consider your f of z which is u plus iv. Substitute for u which is given function, and v is whichever what we have obtained. Now put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. You get this expansion, and this is our f of z. And this is how we will find the analytic function. So let us see a second example. Show that u is equal to e power x, x cos y minus y sin y is harmonic, and find its harmonic conjugate. Also determine the corresponding analytic function. So here again the problem is having three parts. One is show the function is harmonic, and harmonic conjugate need to be found, and corresponding analytic function. So exactly similar to your previous problem. In the same way you have to do it. Consider u and find ux. So ux is e power x into cos y plus this is apply u and v formula, product rule, e power x, and differentiation of this is cos y. This function as it is, and integration of differentiation of e power x is e power x. So ux is e power x cos y plus x cos y minus y sin y. Now again differentiate it with respect to x. So again you need to apply product rule, as there are two functions, e power x, and differentiation of this entire term with respect to x gives us only cos y, plus this entire term is there as it is, and differentiation of e power x is e power x. So uxx is resulting in e power x into 2 cos y plus x cos y minus y sin y. Call the equation as 1. Now consider here given u again, differentiate with respect to y twice. So when we do differentiation with respect to y, x acts as a constant, do remember it, e power x, and differentiation of second function, and for first function as it is, a differentiation of the second, and keep the second as it is and differentiate the first. So y, we get it as minus e power x, x sin y plus y cos y plus sin y. Now again differentiate the same with respect to y, and this is what the result we get. And on simplifying, we get uyy as minus e power x 2 cos y plus x cos y minus y sin y. Call the equation as 2. Add equation 1 and 2, that is uxx plus uyy is equal to 0. Thus u is harmonic. So we could do the first part. And now we have to do the second part, that we have to find the harmonic conjugate. U has been given, so we have to find v. So use the CR equations. This is the first CR equation and this is the second CR equation. Replace ux by dou v by dou y and replace dou u by dou y by minus dou v by dou x. So these are the two expansions, we have got it. Now integrate 3 and integrate 4. Integration of 3 gives v is equal to integral of this entire thing plus constant of integration f of x. And integration of this equation 4 gives us v, integral of this entire thing, and constant of integration is f of x. So integration y sin y is carried out by Bernoulli's rule here, and after doing the integration we get v is equal to x e power x sin y plus e power x y cos y plus f of x. Now also from equation 4 we have, so there are two expansions for v. Now we have to combine them and write by using a repeated term should be written as it is, and avoid the find out function for f of x and g of y. So this is what we have written, and v is x e power x sin y plus e power x y cos y is equal plus g of y. Compare equation 5 and 6 and obtain, we see that there are no terms which has only x and there are no terms which has only y. Therefore both f of x and g of y become 0, and this is what the expansion we get, and this is e power x sin y plus y cos y is our v. And now consider f of z, which is u plus iv, and f of z is equal to, substitute for u, which is the given function, and v what we have obtained, and use the substitution x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. By that we get f of z is equal to z and e to the power of z, and that is the required analytic function. In a similar way, let us do another problem. Show that u is equal to r plus 1 by r cos theta is harmonic. Find its harmonic conjugate and also the corresponding analytic function. So u has been given. Let us apply the same working rule. Since it is in the polar form, this is the two-dimensional equation it has to satisfy. So we need to have ur and u theta, u theta theta. So u is differentiated with respect to r, again with respect to r. U differentiated with respect to theta and again with respect to theta. Now substituted in equation 1 and we see that it is equal to 0. That means that u is a harmonic. If it's satisfying this harmonic Laplace equation, therefore u is harmonic. And now we have to find v. In order to find v, use the CR equation. We are in CR equations in polar form as r into ur is v theta, r into vr is minus u theta. So v theta is r minus 1 by r into cos theta, and vr is this. Now v theta is nothing but dou v by dou theta. Integrate on both the sides with respect to theta, and constant of integration is going to be f of r. And here is again integration with respect to r, and constant of integration is going to be g of theta. So on integration, we get, since integration is with respect to theta, this entire term is a constant. Integration of cos theta is sin theta. And here integration is with respect to r. So sin theta is as it is. Integral of 1 is r and integral of 1 by r square is minus 1 by r g theta. Now compare. There are two expressions for v. So combine and make it one expansion. Write the repeated term first. G of theta must be obtained from this expansion, the term which has only theta. There are no terms which has theta here. So g of theta is 0. Similarly, f of r must be obtained from here. F of r, the term which is having only r in this expansion. There are no terms, so it is 0 again. So this is what is our v. And now substitute in f of z is equal to u plus iv. F of z is equal to u. Substitute for u, which is a given function. V is what we have obtained. And after that, substitute r is equal to z and theta is equal to 0. You get f of z as z plus 1 by z. And this is the required analytic function. So this is how you need to solve the problem. Sometimes the question will be asked you to find only the harmonic conjugate. Sometimes it will be asked you to find the analytic function. Sometimes it will be only the show that it is harmonic. So based on the question, you have to stop at the certain stage. So that's it for today. Thank you all.